This week on Will It Shoe, we have a nice change in the fact that we're actually using a natural material. We have cotton. Hopefully you will recognise this as an absolute British icon, the Fred Perry polo. Designed and developed by Tibby Wegner to be promoted by its namesake, it was launched as competition to the Frenchman Lacoste's line of similar polos. Launched at Wimbledon in '52 with the laurel wreath serving as a homage to the grounds. Originally in white, obviously, the 50s saw Fred Perry start to play around with different colour combinations as they started to be worn by table tennis players who weren't constricted to the strict white uniform. In the 60s, the shirt became popular with the mod and skinhead subcultures, and later with football fans or casuals, further cementing it as a British icon. So let's pass this over to the workshop and then see what they can come up with. Okay. They look really, like something you'd actually expect to see on a shelf in a shoe shop. Should probably reach out to them. I think they'd quite like that.
If we get a collab off the back of this video,
They are... I don't know, there's a fine line on Will It Shoe of ridiculous things that probably shouldn't be shoes, but that can be shoes. And then there's just things that are great shoes. And this is one of those, I think. I mean, you know, like, what is it? It's a cotton. I can't remember now. I think it was 100% cotton, wasn't it? A cotton canvas shoe with a leather lining. It's all natural materials. There's a lot of dirty, torn, vintage and second-hand shirts lying around that need turning into something new instead of just going to landfill.
yeah, that had a few stains on it, and we were able to just cover out the stains.
Amazing. Yeah, it's like you see that with smaller scale leather work as well. It's like massive companies want perfect hide so they can just get everything out of it, but you know, a smaller leather craft can cut around the marks and the stains to make sure they get exactly what they need, and I think that's amazing. Wow, what do you think? Let us know in the comments. really like them. I think they're cracking.
Yeah.
What did the team think of these ones?
I think these were the shoes that they're happy to do, so I can see this makes sense.
Right.
This is a shoe. You're not asking me to turn somebody crazy.
Yeah, I can imagine that. Great. Obviously, as always, let us know what you think in the comments, and if you've got any ideas of things that we should try and turn into shoes, especially if they're along the lines of this, which is kind of actually good shoes, we'd love to hear them. Until next time, See you later.